Hello to all my gorgeous people out there, it's Amina over here, and if you're new to my channel, please do take a moment to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any new video that I upload. Today is episode 4 of my top 3s, and today is concealers. Just jump into this video. Okay, so when I say concealers, I can not think about anything else other than the Maybelline Fit Me because I have been constantly using it. It's not like, now or whenever I started doing my makeup, that's when I started using that Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 40 Caramel. It's almost empty. By that itself you can tell that how much I have used it. Like, can you just see how much empty this is? Concealer, guys. One of the best concealers out there. It's from a medium coverage to full coverage once you build it up. But what a phenomenal, fantastic concealer. I have not budged from this at all because of the reason of how beautiful this is. In middle I had to change because in lockdown nothing was available. So I just bought whatever was there and continuing to do my channel. But oh my god, I think this is my 5th or 4th repurchase and I still have all the empties with me because I'm going to make a product empties. Such a phenomenal price point, and Maybelline is one of my most favorite brands. I can't emphasize enough, it's one of the most favorite brands of mine. And Fit Me range is absolutely beautiful. Yeah, anything of Fit Me is amazing. I don't like the Fit Me foundations. To be very frank, it's not something I love or I prefer. I know it's a cult favorite and you're like, what the hell, this girl doesn't like Fit Me foundation. But yeah, I don't like it. Everyone has their personal choices, okay? So yeah, I don't like it. But this is a phenomenal concealer. If you want something, it's like a buildable one. As if you have very light dark circles, just something to dab on. Just you can dab this on and you'll be good to go. If you have heavy dark circles, you can just apply 2 coats and you'll be good to go. Or on top of an orange color corrector, just set the orange color corrector and you apply this. It gives a full coverage. This is absolutely the most phenomenal concealer according to me. It is a must buy and must have in everyone's makeup vanity. So yeah, Maybelline Fit Me for the win. The second one is this L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the shade Amber. I'm not this shade first and foremost. I thought it was my shade and I bought it, but it turned out to be a tad bit lighter for my skin tone. I think this will suit fair skin tones. You know what I use it as? I use this to brighten up my under eyes. Like after applying the concealer of Maybelline Fit Me, I apply like just 1 drop of this and it just brightens up my under eyes. And this is full coverage, okay? For people, I did a mistake saying in my previous video this has very less coverage. That is because I was using it with a beauty blender, but with a brush, it gives full coverage. Like it covers everything, even the mistakes of your past. I'm not even kidding you, this is a phenomenal concealer. Once it gets over, I'm planning to invest in my shade, but for now I use this for prepping up my eyes before doing eyeshadow to give it a base, a beautiful base. And for my brightening my under eyes, I use this phenomenal concealer. This is kind of expensive, I understand, but watch out for offers. Once you get an offer, just purchase it. But I would highly recommend you to go to the store to buy it, or go to the store, check out your shade and come back home and do buy it online. Don't buy trusting the online website chart, because I did the same thing and this turned out to be too light for me. And if you're going to invest in something this expensive, I would recommend you to go to the store and get your shade, whatever it is, match it and then buy it. This is also a beautiful concealer, full coverage, amazing and beautiful, must have again. So my third concealer is by Wet n Wild. This is the one over here. So again, this is not my skin shade, okay, and this is in the shade medium tawny. And this is not my skin color at all. Like in the store, they told me, madam, it is your skin tone and everything, and they applied and they're like, I'm like, this is kind of light, but you know what? The darker one of this, I have it in my vanity. The darker one of it I bought, and that turned out to be orange, okay? And I looked legit orange. And I'm like, kya ho raha hai bhaiya? Matlab, what is happening, okay? But it looked beautiful on rich skin tone or tan skin color. Oh my god, it looked phenomenal, but for me that was not my jam. But this again, I use it for highlighting. In my life, how many more concealers I have used, nothing has come close to Fit Me. So Fit Me, I use it as my base concealer. On top of that, I use a concealer to lighten. So I use this Wet n Wild one also. This is the shade medium tawny. Again, comes under the mid category of price range, and it is affordable. If you want to invest, you can invest. Coverage is from sheer to medium. It is not a full coverage concealer. It gives a very sheer to medium coverage, and it has a lot of things like cruelty free, and it has a lot of claims, so you people can check it out if you really want to. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and share, and if you're new to my channel, please do take a moment to subscribe. If you have missed out on my previous 3 videos of top 3s, you can go to the playlist in my channel and you have the my top 3s playlist. You can just watch all the 3 and come back to this. I will see you all in my next video. I love you all. Bye.